guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to do another Eid makeup tutorial look, and this is the look. It's a glittery pinky look which I'm going to show you today, and I promise it's not going to be as long as the last one because I was having some technical issue that time and I was not able to edit my videos properly, and anyhow I wanted it up for you guys, so I just went ahead and put that video up. But I guess it's a little bit too long. Too long, but I did made a shorter version of that makeup look and it's in my Instagram. You can go on my page and check. And if you don't know what is my Instagram handle, then I leave my Instagram handle down below somewhere, so you can just click the link below and visit my Instagram and follow me there and have a look of that makeup look, if that makes sense. What did I just say? Okay, moving forward, I am going to do this pinky glittery look, and it's not going to be a very long video, it's going to be a short video, so please bear with me. And yeah, so without any further ado, let's get started. So I'm starting with the LA Girl primer and just using around my nose because I tend to get big pores there. And again I'm going with the same foundation which I used last time, but this time thoda light ja rahi hu. Last time the goal was to get a heavy base, this time little bit lighter, so I am going very easy with my foundation this time. I'll be using K Beauty color corrector stick, and which is very light on your skin, and again it doesn't give you a very heavy coverage and feels heavy on your face. It's very light and subtle. I'll be using a concealer of my skin color and it's from Fit Me Maybelline. It's give you a beautiful coverage and still again it's not very heavy on your skin. It's very subtle and mixed very nicely. Using a lighter shade of concealer to highlight my features, but in a very tiny amount. Now setting my face with a skin tone loose powder. And then you can see how smooth and fresh my base look even after I used a very tiny amount of makeup today. Nothing special with my eyebrows today, so I'll quickly do it off camera. For the eyes, I will be setting my eyelids first with some powder so that I get that plain canvas to work with. And the main palette I'm using today is from Sugar Cosmetic. They have some amazing affordable palettes for everyone. The palette I'm using today have all these beautiful warm shades of brown and pink, and I am using this wine burgundy kind of a color for my base. After I blend it very nicely and seamlessly, I'll be going with the shade of brown to define my corners of my eyes. Then I'll be going with a black shade of eyeshadow and again defining my corners of my eyes, but this time in a way that it gives you a reflection of a hooded eye. You can see how am I working on my crease, exactly on my crease, and creating a hooded effect. I'll be using two different colors from the palette Huda Beauty. First one is called Plum. It's like a rose gold maroonish kind of a shade, but it was not giving me that sparkly effect, so I'll be going ahead and use another shade from the same palette, applying all over my eyelid for that glittery sparkly finish. This is my favorite shade from the entire palette. I just love it. If you even apply it on your lids without any other eyeshadow involved, it will still give you a very beautiful effect. As you saw, put some eyeshadow on your lower lids and a lighter shade of eyeshadow to brighten up your inner corners. To finish the look, put some amazing dramatic eyelashes and you look absolutely amazing. Apply some dark color shadow below your lips to give that shadow effect. This helps you to create those fake fuller lips. Yes, you don't need to undergo a surgery and injection to get a fuller looking lips. You just need to apply and know some tips and tricks to make it fuller. You can also overline your lips by using a lip pencil. Also, lightly added some blush and contouring on top of my face, and yeah, this is the final look. I hope you like it. Since this is all sparkly and glam up, this will go very nicely with some Indian outfit as well. So you can use this makeup or something similar to this on the day of Eid. If you like this video, then please like, subscribe and comment. That will mean a lot to me. Until then, I'll see you next time, and yeah, Eid Mubarak. Bye.